Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Relpin here, and as you can see here, I have another new locomotive I'd like to share with you guys. This is actually from their Walthers Mainline SD70ACe. This is Union Pacific 9010. Well, technically, I believe this is an SD70AH, which basically means the AH means is a heavier ace, meaning it weighs more pounds than a regular SD70ACe. So basically, it's a lot heavier. So my example I have is Union Pacific number 9010. I ordered this off of Lombard Hobbies, so it was a pretty good deal because the Walthers Aces have a pretty good deal. The pricing on it is really good even for a budget-friendly locomotive. So even though I have done a review of this before, but I would like to do a little bit of an overview, an unboxing and an overview of it. So I'm just gonna unbox it. You just have to unbox on this side. You just pull it out. It's in styrofoam packaging. Just lift this off. And there's the locomotive. So let's see if we can get this locomotive out. And there it is. Right there. So since this is number 910, it basically has the low headlights. So we're going to do a little bit of an overview of it and then see how it is. Alright, so here it is out of the box. So you can see it's very nice. Nicely done, even though it doesn't have any detail parts on it. Doesn't have windshield wipers, MU hoses, but it's got a really nice plow. Cab interior, paint job is nicely done. So I can zoom in. See, it says SD70AH. K5LLA horn. Nicely done. And I believe the headlights and ditch lights are LEDs, so they are really bright now. So I can show. You can see some molded in details, non-see-throughs. Very nice. Wow, this is just amazing. It's very nicely done. This is actually a really cool locomotive. So, there it is. So now, with that being said, let me just get my other ace, the 8316, compare it. So here I have 8316. You can see the comparison, because these are both from the previous run. It's just that, as you can see, 8316 is in its as delivered scheme, which means it has the red steel stripe. But nowadays, all Union Pacific locomotives have the yellow steel stripe. And they look really nice together, too. Which is very impressive. Because this one's the Thunder cab, this one's possibly, I'm going to have to guess, the isolated cab. So, they look very nice, stunning together. Very impressed with these both. So, yep, so basically that's just going to be a little bit of an overview of the aces, and I'm really looking forward to running 9010 on the layout in the future on more of the UP trains I have. So anyway, anyways, that should be all for this overview, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, bye.